In this video, we will review the list page view in Business Central. On your navigation bar, select one of the options. Today we will be demoing items. A list page view will appear. At the top of your screen, you will see your applications bar, and below that is your navigation bar. If you select an item from the navigation bar, you will see additional choices appear for you to drill down even further, such as shops, customers, products, and more. Below the navigation bar, you will see the actions bar, which contains tasks that can be done quickly. Here you can find things like search, new, delete, and even more. Under the reports area, you will find different reports like price list, inventory, and so on. Below this, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will find the list with multiple predefined columns. These columns will contain information like base unit of measure. You can choose to order or filter the list based on one of the columns by clicking on it. To the right of the list, you will find the fact box. This contains additional information coming from the line that is marked on your list. You will notice when another item is highlighted in the list, the fact box changes. If you don't want to see the fact box, you can hide it by simply clicking the small icon in the circle above it. Then this will expand the list and collapse the fact box. You can also change the formatting of the list to view it as different tiles. To do this, simply click the hamburger icon next to the one previously selected. Choosing tiles will allow you to see the image of your inventory, click this to share, to open, to edit in Excel, to share the teams, or to copy the link. This allows you to easily share the information as needed. Thank you for watching.